Imagine the feeling of a fresh start, a new beginning. Hair is more than just strands of keratin. It's a reflection of who we are, a symbol of change, confidence, and self-expression. The moment the scissors glide through the hair, something shifts. With every snip, we let go, not just of length, but of the past, of hesitation, of the fear of change. A transformation begins. For some, it's a gentle reshaping, a subtle shift in style that brings new life to familiar locks. For others, it's a bold leap, long flowing strands giving way to a chic bob, or even the ultimate reinvention, a shaved head that reveals the raw beauty of one's true self. As the hair falls to the floor, a weight is lifted. The mirror reflects someone new, yet deeply familiar. This is the power of a haircut. It doesn't just change how we look, it changes how we feel. It is a reminder that we have control over our own evolution. A haircut is not just about aesthetics. It is about confidence, empowerment, and self-love. Whether it's a fresh bob, a daring pixie cut, or a full shave, each transformation tells a story of courage, of reinvention, of embracing the unknown. So, if you are standing at the edge of change, uncertain about taking that step, remember this. Hair grows back, but confidence, liberation, and self-discovery stay with you forever. Embrace the transformation. Feel the freedom. Become the person you were always meant to be. Hair is deeply personal. It carries memories, experiences, and sometimes even burdens. A particular hairstyle can remind us of a significant time in our lives, perhaps the long waves from a youthful summer or the structured cut from an important career move. The emotional connection we have with our hair is powerful. The first time someone drastically changes their hairstyle, they often experience a rush of emotions, excitement, anticipation, or even nervousness. But as the transformation settles in, a new sense of identity emerges. It is a form of self-care, a declaration that we are ready for something new. Each strand holds a piece of our history, but cutting it does not erase the past. Instead, it signifies a readiness to step into the future, to embrace change, and to reinvent oneself with courage and grace. Psychologists and researchers have long studied the effects of hair on self-perception. A fresh haircut can boost self-esteem, shift our mood, and even impact how others perceive us. It is more than just an aesthetic choice. It is a psychological transformation. When we feel good about our appearance, we exude confidence. The way we carry ourselves, the way we interact with the world, and even the way we speak can change. It is fascinating to observe how something as seemingly simple as a haircut can affect our mental state. Some studies suggest that making a deliberate change in appearance can reinforce a sense of control, which can be particularly empowering in times of transition. Whether it is recovering from a difficult period or stepping into a new chapter of life, altering one's hair can serve as a tangible marker of resilience and renewal. Throughout history, hair has played a crucial role in different cultures and traditions. In some societies, cutting hair is a rite of passage, symbolizing growth, wisdom, or a new phase in life. In ancient civilizations, hair was seen as a sign of status, power, and identity. Even today, different hairstyles can represent individuality, rebellion, or conformity. For example, in many cultures, shaving one's head can signify a spiritual or emotional rebirth. Monks shave their heads as a commitment to simplicity and devotion. In contrast, long, flowing hair has often been associated with freedom and artistic expression. In modern times, the ability to experiment with hair through color, style, or length reflects personal freedom. It is a way to tell the world who we are, to showcase our creativity, and to make a statement without saying a word. Haircuts are not just about aesthetics. They can be deeply therapeutic. Many people find comfort in visiting their hairstylist, engaging in light-hearted conversations, and experiencing the soothing sensation of having their hair gently trimmed and styled. For those who have gone through significant life changes, whether it be a breakup, a career shift, or personal growth, a haircut can serve as a form of emotional release. It is a way of shedding the past and stepping forward with renewed energy. The process of transformation through hair is both an art and a science. It requires trust, skill, and vision. Whether you are the one receiving the haircut or the stylist performing the transformation, there is a deep connection involved, one that fosters confidence, expression, and renewal. Choosing the right haircut is a personal journey. It is not about following trends, but rather about understanding what makes you feel your best. Consider your lifestyle, your personality, and the message you want to convey. A sharp, structured bob can exude professionalism and sophistication. Soft layers can bring movement and playfulness. A bold pixie cut can showcase strength and individuality. Each choice tells a story. If you are hesitant about making a change, start small. Gradually shorten your length, experiment with subtle layers, or introduce new styling techniques. The beauty of hair is that it is ever-changing, always growing, and endlessly adaptable. As technology advances, the world of hairstyling continues to evolve. From precision cutting techniques to innovative hair treatments, the possibilities for self-expression are expanding. The rise of sustainable hair care has also become a focal point. More people are opting for eco-friendly products, natural hair treatments, and ethical salon practices. The industry is shifting towards inclusivity, ensuring that everyone, regardless of hair type, texture, or background, has the tools and knowledge to embrace their unique beauty. At the end of the day, your hair is a canvas, a reflection of your journey. Whether you choose to maintain a signature look or experiment with something new, the decision is yours to make. So, the next time you sit in the stylist's chair and hear the soft snip of the scissors, take a moment to appreciate the transformation unfolding. You are not just changing your hair, you are embracing growth, renewal, and the endless possibilities ahead. Step forward with confidence. Own your transformation. And most importantly, love the person staring back at you in the mirror. Because you are beautiful exactly as you are.